Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I am starting a new theme and it's a recipe each day using the Ninja Speedi to get you to grips with the Ninja Speedi and all the amazing things it can do. So what would we recommend for day one as a brand new Ninja Speedi owner? Well, I would recommend some of Dom's fried eggs. I'm calling them fried eggs, but when you think of the ingredients, it's more like poached eggs. It also teaches you how to use the top position of the Ninja Speedi and just kind of get your confidence up and get going with it. And of course, everybody loves eggs, don't they? Well, most of us do. So, let me show you. So, if you open up your Ninja Speedi, this is how it looks when it's in top position. And this top position is brilliant. And you create the top position by, normally how it is to begin with is they're all folded over and then it goes down. And then that's brilliant for when you're cooking in the low position. So then to cook in the high position, simply turn it over like this. And you clip it into position. Sometimes they get a bit bendy and bend back over, so you just need to give them some extra love. And then it goes into high position like this, which is brilliant, and you can go like that as well if you prefer. But if you see, you have to just keep them clipped in. And that's ready for cooking something in high position. So for the eggs, I bet you're wondering how exactly we do it. So first of all, we're using the steam setting. And what I have here is I have the equivalent of 1 cup of water, which is 240 millilitres. And then you just want to pour it into your Ninja Speedi. Then you want to get your crisp plate out and you want to make sure that you've got it so that it'll then go into top position like that. And then this position is also great for making some toast as well. So if you want some toast with your eggs, then go for it like this as well. And then, might seem a bit weird, but we've got a little plate. Just a normal side plate that will fit in your Ninja Steamy. And then position it in the middle like that. And then some extra virgin olive oil spray. And then spray the top. This stops it from sticking. You don't have to do this if you don't want any oil. And then just give it a quick rub with your fingers. And then grab an egg out your fridge. And then what you want to do is crack your egg onto your plate like that. And you guessed it, we're going to cook it exactly like that. It's just a brilliant hack to get you started with the Speedi. I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe. And then once you've done that, you're ready for the lid to go down and we can start cooking them. You ready to go again? Mm-hmm. So turn it on, and to steam eggs we're using the steam button. So to use the steam button you need to move this across. It takes it to the rapid cooker and then you go all the way down to steam, and there's no temperature to set for steam, so just 2 minutes and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. So are you ready to try it and see what it looks like? You know, I mean, seriously, a little fried egg on a little plate, you know, no washing up. Who doesn't love something that's no washing up? So let's get the lid up. Oh, bit of steam to begin with. Let's just wait for the steam to clear off. Oh wow, doesn't that look fantastic? Can you believe it? A plate with an egg on. Simple things, isn't it? And that's what's wonderful about cooking. With Kitchen Gadgets, we cook exclusively with them. We don't have an oven. We've got multi-cookers such as this one, the Ninja Speedi, air fryers, slow cookers, etc. And they're just brilliant for this kind of thing. So use a tea towel or whatever you've got available. get it out and have a closer look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Can you believe that? Fried egg in the Speedi as your very first thing that you actually do in it, and it's just a really, really easy method. You move it out the way a bit so you can get a close up, and then of course good old salt and pepper. And I've stolen some of the husband's bread. Oh, I naughty wife. And then let's dunk it. Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic. We've been waiting a little while for the steam to disappear off video, so if we'd have dunked it straight away then it would be properly soft. But yeah, brilliant, you can't fault that at all. If you're looking for that starting point with the Ninja Speedi that you can do like this, high up on the shelf in the top position, and it's this, and it's a great way to get used to it, and there's so many different foods you can steam in the Speedi. And I just can't wait for you to follow the rest of our 30 days dedicated to Ninja Speedi beginners. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.